Wow, look at this bag from PartyWoo. 140 piece balloon. These are the cream nude color balloons, 140 of them. I'd like to thank PartyWoo for sending this to me to review. A blob of balloons in here and all different sizes too. Look at this. All right, so let's check them out. We got small ones, big ones, medium, holy cow, massive ones here. Hold on. Holy cow. All right, there's a lot. All right. I thought this was big. No, this is big and this is small. Let's check out the big one. I want to blow this up. Let's see if it's easy to blow up. It'd be great for a party. Here we go. Now, I don't have a helium tank here. All right, so there's one balloon there. Here is just a normal balloon. Let's go ahead and try that. Much easier to blow up. And then here's kind of a mid-size one. Let's go ahead and try this. All right, and there's that. So you're gonna get size 18, 12, 10, and 5-inch balloons. So 4 different sizes here. All I can see is PartyWoo balloons all over the place. It's an Amazon choice. It's got 4.4 stars, which I love to see, 4.4 or more. It's got over 7,000 reviews. And last month, just this color, 1,000 plus bought last month. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.